Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, bringing you the news that matters. And today, this news, it matters. Samsung is back in the news again, you all, and yes, it's about the Galaxy Note 8. So they finally come forward to acknowledge the fact that there is a problem, an issue with the Galaxy Note 8, with the battery reaching zero and not being able to recharge. Now, what they said is that they're only dealing with those few devices out there that are having issues and that it is not widespread. So in so many words, don't worry, your phone isn't going to blow up on you or anything like that. This is not a widespread issue. You're safe. Okay, now also what Samsung has said is that if you want to, you can send your phone back. For most people, you still should have a manufacturer's warranty on the Galaxy Note 8 because you just got it. And you can either send it through your carrier. I think sending it through your carrier would be a faster way of getting a new device or refurb device without sending it to Samsung. Now, Samsung has also sent, I don't know what kind of fix to call this. I don't know if they call it temporary, but what they said you can do to get your phone to circulate enough energy for you to be able to get a charge going is to, one, plug your phone in and out about 20 to maybe 100 times, however long it takes, and you have to do it like 30 seconds apart. Okay, now that's a long time to be going through trying to generate some power. But if you do not want to send your phone back to Samsung and or send it through your carrier, then this is something that you might want to try. And if it works, just make sure you keep your phone charged up from now on. And for those of you all who have the Galaxy Note 8 and you don't want to go through this problem, you don't want to find out if you have this problem, then you need to keep your phone charged at all times. This is one of the advices that people are sending out, and I'm giving to you as well. Now, what I would do is I would go buy a battery pack and or a battery case to make sure that I always have backup juice just in case my phone runs low. Things happen, you forget to charge it, apps are running in the background, killing off your battery. You don't want to get caught with your pants down with your Galaxy Note 8 not recharging. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope the information helped. If it did, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.